Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I had asked you guys a while ago on Instagram if you would want to see me depotting my Colourpop Lippie Stix, and all of you said yes. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to show you what you're going to be needing and how I'm depotting them. So I recently picked up the Colourpop, the big box of Lippie Stix. This has 48 Lippie Stix in it. They're essentially lipsticks. Now that I'm working with brides now, they tend to want more of something that's creamy and that'll hydrate the lips during the day because they don't want their lips to be looking dry and flaky in photos, and nobody wants that. So a lot of them request lipsticks, and I thought might as well get every shade that I'll ever need in one use. So I'm glad I picked these up. They were on sale, so you guys should really try to get your hands on these because this formula is really good as well. I love it. I have my own shade Taurus down there, and then I also have another one in here for my kit, so I'm glad that I have that one as well. So if you guys didn't know, I am a certified makeup artist, so that's why I need to have more than 2 shades of lipsticks in here because you never know who you're going to be working on, or you know, if you're going to go to a fashion show, photo shoot, weddings, quinceañeras, whatever the case may be. You don't know what color they want for the lips, and some people really like a bold statement of a lip. So that's why I got all these, perfect for every skin tone, perfect for everybody. Got the bright pinks, the bright oranges, the dark browns, the nudes. So I figured might as well get it all in one time and not have to keep rebuying them because this will last me, and this is 48. So this was a pretty good steal. I suggest you guys go and pick you guys up one. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need 2 of these palettes. I got mine at Namie's. I don't know how to pronounce them, but they're called Vuset. They look like these. And this is what I'm going to be using to putting my lipsticks in here. And this is what I got at Namie's. It's a hand palette, and it came with a spatula. And you're also going to be needing your alcohol. So I'm not sure how I'm going to crush these lipsticks up and put them in. I know I'm not going to be melting them because I have seen some videos of people melting them, and they had different lipsticks that all had different formulas. So some of them didn't turn out so good because they're burning it and they're melting it, so it's gonna change the formula just a little bit. So I don't want to do that and ruin the lipsticks. So what I'm just going to do, I think, is just kind of crush it up inside. I'm not entirely sure yet, but the first thing that I'm going to do is spray my lip palettes with alcohol. That way I can disinfect the inside of it, and that way there's no bacteria inside. I just want to make sure it's super clean before I add anything inside. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my palette with my rubbing alcohol. I'm not gonna use water. I want to really disinfect it, the outside. And I'm going to take a clean towel and just wipe this down. And I'll use Q-tips to get inside of it as well. But I'm going to make sure I do it to both the lip palettes, my spatula, and my palette as well. I want to make sure I spray everything down and nothing is contaminated. I did wash my hands and sanitize before I touched anything. And then I'm just going to leave them open as well to air dry. I'm going to take my spatula, and the first shade I'm going to go in with is the lightest one, and I'm just going to basically go in order of how the shades look. So I did look this up on Colourpop's website, so I'm just going to put it from their lightest to their darkest color first, just because I can have that gradient look and it's all perfect and aligned because I'm a weirdo like that. Okay, so I'm just looking on the Colourpop website, and I guess the first one that they listed is Dream Day. It's a pale warm nude. So this is what all of them look like. Colourpop Lippie Stix, and then the shade name is at the bottom, Dream Date. And then when you take it off, This is what it looks like. So it looks a little skinnier than your traditional lipsticks, but I'm pretty sure you get the same amount of product as you do in a regular lipstick. It's just long. Yeah, actually, let me check that out. Let me see if that's true. Okay, so I just checked online, and these Colourpop Lippie Stix only have 1 gram, which is 0.035 ounces. And I looked at MAC's and Maybelline, everybody else's lipsticks, and they tend to have like 3 grams. So you are getting less product of lipstick. But if you really think about it, how many times are you gonna run through that certain lipstick? You know what I mean? So I feel like it's a good way to start off. And to like get the colors that you want, you know what I mean? And that way you can buy these in bulk. They're not expensive, but they are a really good formula. Let me swatch it for you guys real quick. My hand is sanitized. You see how buttery that is? Like, it just glides on super smooth. It has the greatest pigmentation. I love it. It's really good. And this one is in the shade Dream Dates. I just thought I'd throw that out there just in case you guys are wondering on getting this. I suggest it if you want to get all the shades in one sitting. I say do it. But if you don't want to spend that much on 1 gram per lipstick versus 3 grams, then I say pass. I'm just going to take the spatula. This is gonna feel so weird. I'm gonna leave like a little bit left in the stick, just so that way I can have some leftovers. Oh wow, that felt so weird. I'm just going to move it over. I did sanitize these mats, by the way. I sanitized them just in case you guys were wondering. I might take off more, but let's just see how this goes. I think I'm just going to crush it up in the pan. I'm just going to clean up the edges with like a little lip wand, but I'm gonna spray alcohol on it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove a sticker off the bottom. That way I can put it on my palette. Put it right there at the bottom. And then I'm just gonna do that to every single lipstick. So the next color I'm going to take is Cookie. So this time I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lipstick right here. Maybe I can get it smoother.
I'm just good at caring too much. I'm just good at caring too much. Is it too much to ask that you be all mine? I never was good at sharing. I'm just good at caring too much.
Okay, so this is what I have so far. I did about 12 of these. They're full, but they're not too full. This is what the back looks like. There's some mattes and some creams in here. I can tell the formulas are different when it's matte and when it's a cream. I might actually put this in the microwave and warm it up a little bit so it can melt better, and that way it's all flat. I did see Wayne Goss do it in his depotting video, and he had this exact same one, so I'm gonna try it and see if it works out. I know I said I wasn't gonna do it, but the way that it looks, I just want it to be all, you know, leveled, because since those Lippie Stix only have 1 gram, it looks like it's like half empty, and I put the full lipstick in each one. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So that's kind of what they look like inside. I know it doesn't look very pleasing. Once these run out, I don't have to always repurchase these. I can repurchase other ones that are going to be bigger and fuller. So I might not depot all of these just for that specific reason. I'll probably just finish off with the brown tones. I'm doing more like bridal right now, so I don't think I'm gonna need all these bright colors, so I might just keep the second palette for other lipsticks that I'll just add to my collection. But yeah, so far that's what they look like. I put the shade names on the back so that way I can remember what I'm using and I won't forget. And I like doing the depotting the lipsticks because I do give all my clients a little goodie bag. So if you're my client, I do have different sets of little like goodie bags that I give you at the end of your appointment. And one of them looks like this. I have a little makeup sponge. I have a disposable jar for your lipstick. I have a spoolie for your brows or to comb out your lashes, whatever. And then I also have a lippy wand to reapply your lipstick. And I also have my business card in here as well. So that's what my business cards look like. That's the front. This is the back. It's very good material. So I make sure I put this. I actually put a couple more business cards in them. I give them like three a baggie. So just in case when you go to your event and people want to know who you got it from, it's all in one place. And I love doing this because I just love catering to my clients and making sure they have everything they need when they leave my chair. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and a like. Please subscribe down below and make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time I upload. I know this video wasn't too long, but I didn't want it to be super long and show you every single lipstick because there is 48 and that would take a while to do. So I thought I'd just show you guys a little preview of some lipsticks that I did and what they look like. But yeah, I'll eventually post a picture on my Instagram of what they look like when I microwave them, because I don't want to do it when it's this full and then re-put the new ones in it and then I have to microwave it twice. I don't really want to do that, so I'm just gonna leave it like this for now until I refill all of it soon, which I'll probably just do tomorrow since it is getting late right now. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and thank you so much for supporting me. If you want to learn more tutorials on makeup application, on your makeup kit, whatever you guys want to learn, I'm here to teach you because I really want to do like tutorials and in-depth videos for you guys. But yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see next. Comment down below if you want a tutorial on this look. Let me know and I'll definitely record it for you guys because I love how this came out and the lashes just make it perfect. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for supporting me. It means everything to me. So just stay tuned so you can see what's next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.